Imagine a baby who is unable to sleep. The mother softly sings a lullaby. Maybe it is a Marathi lullaby from Maharashtra, a Bengali lullaby from West Bengal, a Tamil lullaby from Tamil Nadu, or a Kashmiri lullaby from the beautiful valleys of Kashmir. The language may be different. The melody may be different. The culture may be different. But one thing remains the same everywhere in India: the loving bond between a mother and her child. Now imagine if artificial intelligence could understand these lullabies, preserve them, and even create new personalized lullabies for every child. This is where natural language processing, or NLP, comes into the picture. Register now on our website and unlock exciting prizes, certificates, and amazing learning opportunities. Natural language processing is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand, interpret, and generate human language. In simple words, NLP helps computers understand what we say, what we write, and even what we mean. India is one of the most linguistically diverse countries in the world. We have hundreds of languages and thousands of dialects. A child in Nagaland may hear a lullaby very different from a child in Gujarat. A grandmother in Rajasthan may sing songs that are hundreds of years old. Many of these lullabies contain cultural wisdom, moral values, stories of heroes, spiritual teachings, love for family, love for nature, love for the nation. Unfortunately, many traditional lullabies are slowly disappearing. What if AI could help preserve this priceless heritage? Imagine a national project where people from every state contribute their traditional lullabies. The database would contain ancient lullabies, folk lullabies, mythological lullabies, spiritual lullabies, cultural lullabies, artistic and poetic lullabies, modern and futuristic lullabies. This collection would become a treasure house of India's emotional and cultural heritage. But collecting them is only the beginning. This is where NLP becomes powerful. NLP helps the AI understand the language of each lullaby. For example, if a lullaby is written in Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Sanskrit, or any other Indian language, NLP can identify and understand it. The AI can then analyze the meaning of the words, the emotions being expressed, the cultural context, the values being taught, the rhythm and style of the song. The computer begins to understand not just the words, but also the feelings behind them. That is the true power of NLP. Now imagine a mother entering information such as, "My child loves stars. My child likes animals. I want my child to become kind, brave, and responsible. I want my child to love nature and respect others." The generative AI combines this information with the knowledge gained from thousands of lullabies. Using NLP, it understands the parent's wishes. Then it creates a completely new lullaby, specially designed for that child. For example, a child interested in space may receive a lullaby about stars, planets, and dreams of becoming a scientist. A child who loves nature may hear a lullaby about rivers, forests, birds, and protecting the environment. A child inspired by national heroes may hear stories about courage, honesty, and service to the nation. Every lullaby becomes unique. Every lullaby becomes personal. Suppose a beautiful lullaby exists in Assamese, but a family speaks only Hindi. NLP can help translate the lullaby while preserving its meaning and emotion. A child in Kerala can enjoy a traditional lullaby from Punjab. A child in Maharashtra can experience a lullaby from Manipur. Through NLP, language barriers begin to disappear. The emotional connection remains. The cultural richness spreads across the nation. Can AI replace a mother's love? No. A mother's love is irreplaceable. The purpose of AI is not to replace parents. The purpose of AI is to assist them. NLP can help create lullabies that sound gentle and soothing. Future technologies may even allow the lullaby to be sung in a voice that resembles the mother's voice, making the experience comforting and familiar for the child. The human emotion remains at the center. AI simply becomes a helpful companion. Imagine lullabies that gently teach honesty, kindness, respect, responsibility, environmental awareness, scientific curiosity, national pride. While the child sleeps peacefully, positive values are being introduced through stories, music, and emotions. The goal is not only to help children sleep, the goal is to help nurture thoughtful, responsible, and compassionate citizens. Natural language processing is not just about computers understanding words. It is about helping people connect. It is about preserving culture. It is about making technology more human. The Generative AI Lullaby project shows how advanced technology can work together with tradition, emotions, and family values. It combines artificial intelligence, language technology, cultural preservation, emotional connection, national heritage into one meaningful application. Natural language processing teaches computers to understand human language. When combined with generative AI, it can preserve India's precious lullabies, break language barriers, and create personalized experiences for every child. Most importantly, it demonstrates that technology is at its best when it serves people, protects culture, and strengthens human relationships. The future of AI is not only about smarter machines, it is also about creating a kinder, more connected, and culturally rich world. And perhaps, one beautiful lullaby at a time, that future can begin with a mother singing to her child. Thank you. Now, attempt the test and see what you've learned. Sharpen your observation. Think like AI.